In the heart of the city lies the silent train yards, a forgotten relic from a bygone era. Mia and Ethan, adventurous urban explorers, step through rusted gates, their flashlights piercing the shadows. "Did you know this place was once a bustling hub for freight trains?" Ethan whispers, while Mia snaps photos of crumbling infrastructure. Suddenly, a chilling breeze rustles through the abandoned cars, and Mia gasps, "Do you hear that? It's like the whispers of the past are calling us." As they explore deeper, they stumble upon an old conductor's diary, revealing secrets of lost passengers and the tragic incident that led to the yard's abandonment. They glance at each other, realizing they're on the brink of uncovering a mystery that will change their adventure forever.